Hello everyone, welcome back on my channel Nutan Online Study. So today we are going to see lesson plan on the topic acid, bases and salt, and this is for class 7th. So it's been long and I haven't uploaded any video on my YouTube channel. So many of you were asking me to make lesson plan on this particular topic. So this is why I bring this lesson plan for you all, and if you want me to make any particular video on any particular topic, you can comment me on the comment section below, okay, and I will make it for you. So now let's see how to make this lesson plan. Okay, so this is for class 7th and topic is acid, bases and salt. Okay, uh, so for previous knowledge what we have to write, uh, student knows taste of different sour and bitter substances. So obviously if we are going to tell them difference between acid, bases and salt, students is already means they are already aware of different type of taste, like sour substances and bitter substances. Okay, and you can write previous knowledge by your own, but I have write here like this. Okay, after that general aim. So for general aim we have to write what we are going to teach to students, what we want to teach to students. So here, to enable them to understand what is acid, bases and salt, means we want to teach them what is acid, what is bases and what is salt. Okay, and second would be to tell them way to differentiate between acid, bases and salt. So we are going to do many type of experiment so that student can be aware of how to differentiate between all this. Okay, so for specific objectives this would also be the same, to let them understand what is acid, bases and salt, and to tell them various method to differentiate among them. Means to differentiate among them acid, bases and salt, we are going to do many type of experiment, and we are going to tell them many method that can help us to understand between all this, between acid, bases and salt. Okay, and after that teaching aid, for teaching aid we are going to use all this like chalk, duster, chart, and various sour and bitter substances we are also going to take with us as a teaching aid. Okay, so after this, here you can see this is our introduction part, and here I have added 5 questions. So do not add more than 5 questions. 5 questions would be enough, okay, because it will be time consuming. So here I have added 5 questions. You can see first question is name all the substances, and then we will show all the substances that we have with us, like we are going to take lemon, salt, tamarind, sugar. So then students will name all the substances, and after that we ask them, do they all have same taste? Then they will say no, or we can ask one student to come, and we can tell them to taste all the substances, and then we can ask, do they all have same taste? Then student will answer no. Then third question would be, how does curd, lemon juice, orange juice taste? Then student will answer, it is sour in taste. After that we can ask, how does baking soda taste? Student will answer, it is bitter in taste. And then last question would be, can you explain reason behind all this? Means we can ask, can you tell the reason why these all substances have this particular type of taste? Then it would be problematic for students. Then statement of aim, then we can say to student that today I am going to teach you topic acid, bases and salt. After that presentation, first we have to present our topic for like 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, so here we are going to explain everything to students, what is acid and what is bases. So this way we have to explain to students. So you can see this, I have written all this here. Okay, uh, okay, and we have to write all the main points at the same time on the blackboard also. Like this we have to write all the things on blackboard, whatever we think are important we have to write it on blackboard. Okay, after that we have to ask a few questions regarding whatever we teach to students. So here I have added 4 questions. What is acidic substance? Second would be, what do you mean by bases? Third would be, state differences between acid and bases. And fourth would be, which substance is used to check acidic or basic. So like this we can make our lesson plan. Okay, and we have to teach all our topic very nicely to students, and after that we have to ask question also, like 4 to 5 question we can ask to students. Okay, So like this we have to completed our presentation first, and then after that we have to yani you can see this presentation second. For presentation second, here you can see this natural indicators. Okay. Okay. So here you can see presentation second, natural indicators, litmus, a natural dye. So we have to present all our presentation to students very nicely, so that student can understand everything very easily. Okay. And we have to do one experiment also, turmeric as a natural indicator. Okay. So we have to explain everything properly for 4 to 5 minutes. Okay. And we have to write all the main points that we think is important. We have to write it on blackboard also, like this. Okay. And after that we have to ask a question to students. You can see the question I have written here. Name the most used natural indicator. What do you mean by neutral solution? Name the source from which litmus solution is obtained. What is neutral solution? Like this, you can see everything here clearly. Okay. And after that, recapitulation. For recapitulation, we have to ask everything that we taught to students. And here I have add 4 questions. State difference between acid and bases. Name the sources from which litmus solution is obtained. What is the use of this solution? What is indicator? What is neutral solution? Like this, we have to ask question to students. Okay. And here is our application and evaluation. You can see here application and evaluation. So here we have added 4 questions. You can see this, and we have to ask this question to students. Okay. And last would be home assignment. So here we have to give home assignment to students for the perfection of their knowledge. Okay. So this was my lesson plan. And if you do like my lesson plan, please do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. Okay. We will meet in next video, and till then, bye bye and take care.